Welcome. This is a gentle guide to meditation for beginners. There is nothing you need to achieve and nothing you need to do perfectly. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lay down. Let your body feel supported. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes. If not, soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue at your own pace. Allow your shoulders to relax. Let your jaw soften. Let your hands rest naturally. Now, bring your attention to your breathing. You don't need to change it. Just notice it. Notice the air entering your body and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, that's completely normal. Meditation is not about stopping thoughts. It's about noticing them and gently returning to the breath. Each time you notice your thoughts drifting, simply guide your attention back to your breathing. No judgment, no frustration. Imagine each breath gently clearing space inside your mind, like opening a window and letting fresh air in. If emotions appear, let them be. If thoughts appear, notice them. You're not doing anything wrong. Allow yourself to be exactly as you are in this moment. Silently say to yourself, I am here. I am breathing. I am safe. Stay with this feeling of calm awareness for a few more breaths. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel the space around you. Slowly open your eyes when it feels right. Carry this calm with you into the rest of your day. You can return to this simple practice anytime you need. When you feel ready, you can begin meditating on your own. Simply choose a meditation track from our rich selection and repeat the steps we practiced today at your own pace. Thank you for being here.